All right, here we go.
All right, well, I'm Seth.
I'm Matt.
And we are at Busch Gardens Tampa for our media preview of Iron Gwazi, the world's fastest and steepest hybrid coaster from Rocky Mountain Construction.
Tallest coaster in Florida.
And this is pretty intimidating.
Yeah, we're almost to the top, and we're not ready, but we're here.
We're not ready for this at all. All right,
Oh
we'll
my
see you at the
gosh.
bottom.
Oh my gosh. Here we go.
Very
oh my
slow
gosh.
cresting of the hill, and this
More
is
than 90-degree drop.
steep, steep,
Whoa.
steep. Absolutely.
Gwazi, that's for sure.
Oh, night and day.
That was nice. That
Wow.
was good.
That has to get an award for the best rehabilitation of a coaster. Gwazi in the original wooden form was one of the roughest, most painful things.
Yeah.
That is smooth as glass.
Yeah,
and
that
does
was awesome.
Not let up.
You can do it again. I mean,
Ooh.
I was worried about being able to ride again, but I get right back on that.
Yes, I thought it would be too intense and too painful, but I don't know. I think Velocicoaster has some competition now for the
definitely.
best roller coaster in Florida.
That's
I'm gonna
for
have to
sure.
ride another 5 or 6 times, no for sure though. Woo. Wow.
We'll try the
All
back
right.
row next. That's good.
How's my hair?